Better biking with survival skills.
In my earlier videos on gears, I talked about the need to choose a ratio that allows us to accelerate and brake without having to shift immediately, but descending hills poses a different problem. Gravity is trying to pull us ever faster downhill. We're usually told to shift to a lower gear. There's just one problem. With a powerful bike, the machine becomes very sensitive to even tiny movements of the throttle, and that can make machine control on a steep and tight downhill corner quite tricky. There's actually a simple answer, and it's the rear brake. As usual, the best way to slow down as we approach a downhill bend is to use front and rear brakes, but rather than releasing both brakes and controlling speed with the gears and throttle, the trick is to keep the rear brake on, then drag it gently around the corner. It's far easier to make subtle changes to brake pressure to control downhill speed than with the throttle alone. But just remember, keep the rear brake on until upright and pointing where you want to go next, or the bike will surge forward just when you don't want it to.